Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the images you want as stickers and making sure you have both WhatsApp and a Sticker Maker app installed. Once you have 3 to 30 images, resize or convert to 512 x 512 pixels and PNG or WebP format. This ensures transparency and crisp display. Make sure each file is trimmed close to the subject and group them in one folder so you can import quickly. Now open the Sticker app and create a new pack. This begins the actionable conversion process. You import the prepared images into the Sticker Maker, then crop to the subject and remove any leftover background. Once done, add optional border, shadow, or a short text label to improve readability in chats. These small edits help stickers pop on different backgrounds. Make sure to tag or assign emoji keywords so you can find stickers quickly. After arranging the order, tap the app's Add or Publish control to export the pack directly to WhatsApp for immediate use. You open WhatsApp, tap the emoji icon, then the Sticker tab to use your new pack. Long press a sticker to favorite it for quick access. If the pack doesn't appear, make sure you published it from the Creator app, then restart WhatsApp. Some apps require a short reload. If stickers look cropped or show a square background, reconvert the source files to PNG or WebP with proper transparency and re-import. This final fix resolves most display errors when stickers go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.